Yeah, we're live. Okay. I think we're live. All right. Hello. I'm going live this week every day, right at 12:30 Eastern Time, giving you lovely parents and grandparents or whoever else you are excited about building food gardens at home with children, one game-changing tip a day, every day this week. And this is day 4. Yesterday, we talked about placing the kids' garden where the kids are. In day 2, we talked about giving our children their own gardens. And in day 1, we talked about sunlight and water in a kid's garden. Pay attention to these 5 tips and you will ramp up the magic in your kid's garden big time, even if you haven't grown a thing in your life, because your kids deserve to learn this skill no matter what. All right. Tip number 4 for today. Do you have a grass area that you want to turn into a kid's garden and give it to your kids? You don't need to tear up the grass. Do you have a garden from previous years that you want to set up and give to your kids? And you think that it'll be weedy and you think that you should go and till and turn the soil? Good news. You don't have to do that. In fact, you don't want to do any of those things. And these are the reasons. Have you ever torn up grass? Oh my God. It's torturous work and needs good muscles. And we want our kids to actually be the ones who do the work, even building the garden. And we don't want that type of work for us. Thank you very much. And tearing up grass is out of the question for kids. Not possible. And if you force them to do it, oh my God, they're going to hate growing food forever. Even if you do it, your kids will think that growing food is difficult and it'll give them all the wrong impressions that we don't want to give them. Now, tilling and turning the soil is a bad idea too, and I know that everybody else does that, but that doesn't make it a good idea, okay? You know, the weeds will look like they're gone at the beginning, but they will come back with really strong in just a few months, and that'll create a huge problem for you. So tilling and turning also destroys your soil, and it's hard work, and we don't want to give our kids the wrong impressions about growing food, remember? So what do you do instead? You sheet mulch. And now, if you are familiar with that, good for you. If not, go Google it. It's fantastic. And I have a free online class coming up soon in which I give my students a handout about sheet mulching with kids with detailed instructions. To find out about that free class, all you need to do is to download the free gift that you have on this page. It's kidsgrowingcity.ca/gift. So downloading this gift will put your email in the notification list about that free class. And that's it for today. Now, wherever you're watching this, either if it's live right now or recorded on YouTube, on our website, wherever it is, make sure that you give us a thumbs up and comment. Please comment your questions in the question box. And if you find these useful, please share them with your family and friends, and let's get the discussion going about kids' gardens. Now, and most importantly, don't forget to download the free guide, which has all these 5 tips. So if you missed any of these videos this week, it's all in the download and it's in the description. It's called kidsgrowingcity.ca. The link is kidsgrowingcity.ca/gift. Okay, I will see you tomorrow with another game-changing tip. Till then, dream kids gardens. Thank you. Ciao. Mwah.